Hi guys, welcome back to Lady P Naija TV. So guys, today I am going to be showing you guys recipe how I prepare my banga and bitter leaf soup. In here I have my tomatoes, pepper, onions. This is my meat. Also this is my dry fish. This is my banga bitter leaf. I wash it, it's very clean. Also I have two different type of smoked fish here. I have my boga fish. Also this one is my Maggi cube. This one we call it oriema. It's very good inside the black soup. This leaf too, I will be using it along with my black soup. Also this is my crayfish powder. So guys, this is what I'm going to be using for my black soup. Stay tuned guys. I just add in my salt. This is the onions. So this is my Maggi cube. Just add some little water. I'm going to cover it. Now I am going to check on my meat. It's still boiling. Just have to turn it now. The water is not much. I will add some little water now. So at the same time, I'm going to blend my bitter leaf now. So it's right here. I put my bitter leaf in here. Also my tomatoes, onions. So everything is inside here. I'm going to blend it now. So I just finished blended my bitter leaf now. So now I will be adding my banga now. Okay, this is the banga. I'm going to add it now. So this is the banga. I'm going to turn it now. I just added all the old banga. I'm going to turn it now. There's no water. I will add water. But because before I do that, I will add my crayfish powder. I just add water. I'm going to turn it and cover. I will allow it to boil before I put in my bitter leaf. I will be checking on my soup now. Okay, so this is the banga. It sent nice already. I'm still going to leave it. I'm not going to add the bitter leaf now. I'll still allow it to cook for like 30 minutes before I add my bitter leaf. I'll be back. So now I am going to turn my banga. It's time for me to add my bitter leaf inside, okay? I just add in my bitter leaf now. So now I am going to add in my smoked fish, the banga fish and the smoked fish. I'm going to add it now so that everything will done together. I will be back. So I'm going to add water. So now my banga is almost ready, and I'm going to add in my dry fish now. Let me taste it. So guys, my bitter leaf and banga soup is ready. It's so tasty, guys. This is the outcome of my banga and bitter leaf soup. This soup can go with pounded yam, starch, puree, semo. So just make your choice, guys. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe for your girl. Like my video. Also turn the bell notification so that anytime I upload another delicious food like this, you will be the first to be notified. Okay, I love you all. You can also share. You can share, okay?